How to make another account on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device, whether it may be iPhone or Android. Now, at the bottom right corner, click on the profile icon. Next, tap on the hamburger icon. Here, you will see multiple options. Scroll to the bottom and look for the login section. Now click on Add Account. A pop-up will appear with two options. Tap on Create New Account. Here, enter the username in the block. A few suggestions will also appear. Click on your preferred option or make your own username. Make sure the username has to get the green tick mark beside it. Once you are okay with the username, then click on Next. After that, the Share Logins page will appear, with two options at the bottom. You can either continue with your previous account password or create a new one. Here, I am going with the Create Password Instead option. Next, type the password in the block and click on Next. Now, you will see two options, phone number or email. Here I'm going with email. Enter the email in the respective block and tap on Next. A verification code will be sent to the added email. Enter it and then click on Next. After that, tap on Complete Sign Up. Next, it will prompt for access to contacts. Choose the option of your preference. Now, to add a profile picture, at the bottom, click on Add Picture. The photos from the app will appear. Scroll and select a photo. Make necessary adjustments if required. At the top right corner, tap on Done. Next, people's suggestions will appear. Select any 5 usernames to follow if needed. And that's it. The created account will appear.